Today, we're talking about a super popular degree, BBA. That's right, Bachelor of Business Administration. Whether you're already a BBA student thinking about enrolling or just curious, this video is for you. Now, what is BBA? So first, what exactly is a BBA? BBA is a course wherein you'll cover everything from marketing, finance, operations, human resources, and much more. It's a great foundational degree for anyone wanting to get into business, but here's the thing, it doesn't have to stop there. Now, best domains under BBA. Now, under BBA, you can specialize in different domains, whether you want to be the marketing wizard who sells ideas like hotcakes or the finance guru keeping the numbers in check. BBA gives you the flexibility to explore all these areas. A Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, is a flexible degree that teaches you all the basics of running a business. You'll learn about finance, marketing, human resources, operations, accounting, and even business law. Plus, you'll pick up skills in management and entrepreneurship. With this knowledge, you can go for jobs like financial analyst, marketing executive, HR manager, business consultant, or even start your own business. Personally, I think finance is a game changer. But hey, that's just me. And if you're still deciding, don't worry. We've got a whole series on the various finance and accounting domains that you can enroll into. Check them out in our other videos. Just doing a BBA might not be enough in today's competitive world. So what do? You upskill. You can do certifications like ACCA, CMA USA, CFA, or even digital marketing courses, depending on your interest. For example, if you're into finance, pairing your BBA with CMA USA will open doors to global career opportunity. ACCA is another killer option for those who dream of a chartered accounting career, especially if you're planning to go international. Now, how to choose the right certification? So how do you decide which certification to pick? Think of it like this. What excites you? If you love numbers and want a global reach, go for CMA USA or ACCA. If you're more into management and want a broader business role, maybe look into MBA after BBA, or even certifications like Six Sigma for operation. Career opportunities after these certifications. Now, let's talk about the ultimate goal, career opportunities. What can you do after your BBA? If you've got an add-on like ACCA or CMA USA, sky is the limit. You could work in top MNCs, start your own venture, or even take up roles like a financial analyst, accountant, business consultant, and more. And trust me, companies today are not just looking for a degree. They want skills. That's why upskilling after your BBA is so important. And the good news is, if you're ever confused about which path to take, Northstar Academy is here to guide you. Why is it important to upskill? Guys, here's the deal. The business world is evolving fast. A BBA is a great start, but by adding a certification like ACCA or CMA USA, you're not just keeping up with the trends, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Think of it like this. Upskilling after your degree is like adding turbo boosters to your career. It's what makes you stand out from the rest. And to know more about these certifications or how to enhance your BBA degree, be sure to check out our other videos on the channel.